Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're unpackaging a strap adapter for the Citizen Ecozilla. This company reached out to me about sending one over, and actually asked if you could send two, and we'll do a giveaway for one of them, or maybe I'll give away the other one in the future as well. We'll see how it works out. Sorry, this watch I always hold it upside down because the crown's on the wrong side. But anyway, let me unbox this and we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll just do this as a giveaway video as well. I think I'll do an installation on another video. Also, these are available on Amazon, so I will leave a link in the description to Amazon for these. Well, this one, whatever. It's two of the same thing, so let's just open them both up. Some stuff on the desktop here. Okay, so we have a link removal tool for this bracelet. Looks like a spring bar tool as well. Zoom in on here a little bit. So I don't know if these are split pins or what we have going on here. Then you have a little screwdriver here. Plastic link remover as well, pin pusher. So this is, oh, okay, so the bracelet and the adapters are connected here in the package. So 24, I'm pretty sure it's 24 millimeters wide. Let's see, SKX is 22. So yeah, that's 24. So kind of a wide bracelet, but that's just the way the lugs work out. So this one I will unpackage and then, or unwrap, and the other one I will give away then. To show you two of the same thing here. Shang Pulley, the scenery line on the wrist. So yeah, the exact same thing in this box here, so I'll give that one away. So let's unwrap this and we'll see how it looks, and then I'll follow up with another video with the installation. But this will be a giveaway video as well, so go ahead and put a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these strap adapters, or if you have any feedback for the channel, whatever, just comment something down there. And I'll do a random comment picker at some point in the future. I'll try to do it a week from the release of this video. The last giveaway I kind of forgot. I was a little bit delinquent. I think it took me 2 weeks or something like that. So sorry about that. Come on now. Where is? I guess that's the problem with trimming my nails. That one off of there. Hopefully you don't hear the air conditioner running in the background. It's a hot day today, so it's working some overtime. So yeah, it looks like it is split pins. And we do have quick release on the end here. So what you do is hit the camera with the watch. Anyway, you remove this ring here, and then these straps, I think you just pull out, and then you put these in place of here. So I will do that in a separate video. This will just be a quick unboxing here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. So again, for the giveaway, comment down below, and also be subscribed to the channel. Forgot to mention that earlier. And then if you could go follow me on Instagram, that'd be great. Not totally required, but I do appreciate that. So let me know what you think. If you would want this watch on a strap adapter, or you like it on a factory rubber strap. And I'll throw it on wrist real quick, just because I haven't worn it in a while, and it kind of cracks me up. I always get a smile when I put the watch on, just because it's so big. If you care, I've been wearing the Black Bay 58, so quite the contrast between these two watches here. One's definitely a tool watch, the other one's more of a dressy diver. Alright, let's get this one on wrist. I'm going to say this watch weighs more than the Black Bay 58 and it's on a rubber strap. If I remember correctly, I think it's like 180 grams. And I'm almost putting it on upside down again. .300-meter rated water resistance on this one. Black Bay 58 is only 200. It's not really only, that's still a good amount. So yeah, I'm almost on, actually, you know what, I bet you I could. Can't quite get it on the tightest hole position, but the second tightest hole position on my 6.5-inch wrist. And the funny thing is, this watch also comes with a dive extension, dive strap, extra strap for diving suits. So this is for air diving, gas diving, whatever they call it. But yeah, there you go. Okay, that will conclude that video, and I'll put down in the description again the rules. Just you know, be a subscriber and comment down below, and I'll do a random comment picker in about a week or so. All right, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.